This question is quite involved. So just to save some time, you see I've already started expanding the polynomial x, a plus b plus c all squared. And then now that I've expanded it, I'm going to simplify by combining like terms. First, I'm going to write out the a squared plus b squared plus c squared, just to keep those together. And then we'll have 2ab's plus 2ac's plus 2bc's. And another way we could write this, just to kind of make our lives a little bit simpler, is I'm going to factor out that 2 from those last three terms. So then we're left with AB plus EC plus BC. So now let's try to figure out which one of these four identities we're given is true. So the first one states that x is going to equal to y minus z. Well, y is equal to a squared plus b squared plus c squared. And then if we were to subtract z, well, z is ab plus bc plus ac. So if we're subtracting it, we'd be subtracting all three of those terms. And we can see clearly that that does not match what we were going for. So that's not going to be correct. And the second option states that x is equal to y plus z. Well, that would be very similar to what we just wrote out, except instead of subtracting z, it would be adding. And we can see that's still not exactly the same thing as x, so that does not work out. Let's take a look at option number 3. That one says that x is equal to y, a squared plus b squared plus c squared, minus 2z. So subtracting 2 of z, which is ab plus bc plus ac. And we can see that doesn't quite match. See, the problem there is that here we're subtracting z when we should be adding. So clearly, the correct answer is option number 4. If we take y, which is a squared plus b squared plus c squared, and add 2 of z, z being ab plus bc plus ac, we can see that this does perfectly match the value of x. So that is our correct answer. All right, that's all for this video, and thanks for visiting JD's Preparation.